Ready? Start. In recent months, we have seen how speculation took place in regard to certain foodstuffs and other agricultural commodities. The Reserve Bank bulletins issued recently tell us that lots of money were advanced by a number of scheduled banks in order to back up the speculative operations and buyings of certain concerns. Similarly, monies had been advanced for speculative purchasing with regard to other commodities. Such things are happening, but the point is that these speculations go on merely in this country, supported by those very elements who control the stock exchange and the financial world of our economy. I should like to know to what extent this is going to be stopped. It is said that we are in a bad situation, and in order to give a proper direction to the planned development of the country, it is essential to direct the investments and speculative investments in particular. How much this measure conforms to these, I should like to know from the government. It appears to me that not very much will have come out of this measure, notwithstanding the fact that government is armed with these powers. It is of vital importance today that we should have proper control of our investments that are taking place, or cornering of shares in some cases. If we are at all serious about the planned development of our economy in general and our industry and commerce in particular, I am afraid the powers that are being taken by the government under this bill are not at all sufficient for ensuring such developments as would enable the government to direct investment and control transfer of shares, etc. in conformity with the interests of planned economic development. This is what I find from the reading of this bill and even from hearing the speech that has been delivered by the Honorable Minister. I have also read the other speech he had made in the other house that does not throw much light on the subject. I am not surprised because when the whole thing was being discussed and mooted by the government, the approach of the government suffered from certain deficiencies. That is to say, they were not so much keen on surprising wholesale the speculative operations as on getting a certain measure of control over them. Today, the time has come for making up one's mind with regard to the speculation business as a whole. This is the most important thing. With regard to investment, it has been said very eloquently. Stop.